Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about the MT5 to MT5 trade copier, or probably the most important things that you need to know, okay? And just show you step-by-step process of how you can get the tool and start using it. So if you've ever managed more than one MetaTrader 5 account, you already know how challenging it can be to keep trades synchronized. All right, so instead of manually placing trades in each account, this tool allows you to automatically copy trades from one MT5 account to another. All right, so it is efficient, it is reliable, and saves you time. Okay, so what exactly is the MT5 to MT5 trade copier? Simply put, it's a software tool that links two MT5 accounts together. One account is called the master account. That is where the trades originate, right? And the other account is the slave account. And this is where the trades are automatically copied. So anytime a trade is opened, modified, or closed in the master account, the slave account will mirror those actions in real time. Now, let us talk about why traders use it. Many traders manage multiple accounts, right? And trying to place the same trades manually is not only time consuming, but can also lead to mistakes, right? If you agree with me. So with the MT5 to MT5 trade copier, you eliminate the need for manual duplication and ensure that all accounts stay perfectly in sync. Next, let us go through the setup process step by step. So I was actually trying to see if I can find MT5 to MT5 on MQL5. MQL5 is a very popular marketplace for MetaTrader users, right? So I was trying to see if I can find the MT5 to MT5 copier on MQL5. If I don't see it here, then maybe we can just look at another platform. Okay, you can see that there is MT4 to MT4. And I was thinking there was going to be MT5 to MT5 here. Okay. Seems like this one is not free. All right. So basically, we are just looking at different options, right? You just have to do your research. Once you do your research, and then you make your conclusion on the particular tool that you want to use. All right. First of all, you do your research. Once you conclude on the tool that is, suitable for you, and if it is free, fine and good. If it is not free, you have to be sure that it is worth the investment. Okay, so if that's the case, you proceed with it. After you install the copier files into your MT5 platform, you will set one account as the master and another as the slave. All right, let's see if we can find another MT5 to MT5. Did I write 4? Is it 4 I wrote? MT5 to MT5 trade copier. Okay, I probably made a mistake in my input. Oh, okay. Seems like this is unavailable. All right, I already recorded a video on MT4 to MT4 Copier, so you might actually want to check that out. Okay, so but the instructions will be depending on the tool, right? If you want to get a tool, the exact instructions on how to set it up might differ. Okay, so I might not be able to give a general insight because I might not know the particular tool that you're going to be using if you want to proceed with it. Okay, but one important thing for you to know is that you have to ensure that it is properly linked to your master account and to the slave account that is copying the trade. Okay, ensure that it is properly linked. With the MT5 to MT5 trade copier, you eliminate the need for manual duplication. Okay, so on the master account, you should configure the settings so that trades can be sent out, and on the slave account, you should configure the settings, to enable receiving your trades. All right, so this ensures that every order executed on the master is instantly mirrored on the slave. One important step is making sure that your settings are correct. And remember, like I said, you should follow the instructions given, wherever it is that you are getting the expert advisor from. You should follow the instructions. Okay, the instructions should at least guide you on how to set it up effectively on both the master account and the slave account. Customize how your trades are copied, including the lot sizes, stop loss, take profit synchronization, and even whether pending orders are included. Okay, so if you are just starting out, stick with the default settings. They work well for most traders, right? Or maybe unless if there are some specific instructions for otherwise. Another thing to keep in mind is synchronization. Always double check that both platforms are connected to the internet and running smoothly. A weak connection can cause delays in trade copying, which can affect execution. Now, common mistakes traders make include forgetting to properly configure the slave account, mismatching lot size settings, or closing the platform while trades are still active. So always test the copier with a demo account first to make sure that everything works as expected before using it on live account. By the end of this walkthrough, you should now understand what the MT5 to MT5 trade copier does, why it is useful, and how to set it up in just a few minutes. It's one of the simplest tools you can use to manage multiple accounts and ensure consistency across all your trading platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on MetaTrader tools, trading setups, and tutorials. That way, you'll never miss out on practical trading content designed to make your workflow smoother and easier. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.